You want to clean your house, but you want some all-natural solutions. I've got 3 DIYs that are going to make your whole house sparkle. First up, we're going to make a multi-surface cleaner. So we're going to take 2 cups of distilled water and then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, a natural cleaner and disinfectant, and then some essential oils. I use about 10 drops. I like something citrusy like a lemon or a grapefruit because I find it really energizing, especially in the kitchen. Then you're going to take your mixture and pour it into a spritz bottle. And there you have it, your DIY multi-surface cleaner. But head with me to the sink because I also love this one. So I like a really sparkly, pristine sink. One of the ways I do that is by taking some baking soda and just sprinkling it all in my sink, and then I add a little bit of dish soap, run the water gently so it makes a paste, and I scrub, scrub, scrub. Rinse that out and your whole sink is gonna sparkle. So I like the baking soda mixed with the dish soap because it's abrasive, but it's not so harsh that it's gonna scratch up your sink. Now for the last DIY, come with me to my family room. Finally, we're gonna make a fabric deodorizer. So you're gonna use the same formula as your multi-purpose cleaner. So it's 2 cups of water, but this time plain old water will do, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and then some essential oils. Now for a room like this that's kind of cozy, I like to use something a little more soothing, like perhaps a lavender. You wanna test it on an inconspicuous spot and then spray freely. And there you have it, 3 all-natural, chemical-free cleaners.